Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome to my channel. I'm having this yogurt. I've just got it right now. I want to cook, not really to cook, but to prepare lunch. I'm gonna be having pudding. I'll show you the fruits I'll be using. This is to celebrate 900 subscribers. We moved from 700 and just like that we were at 900. I'm super grateful. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers in my channel. Please be making sure to hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post. I usually post every week, and some people usually tell me, the ones we meet on the ground, they don't see my videos. That's because your notification is not on. So press the notification bell on so that you get notified whenever I post. Yep guys, let's start preparing this pudding. I will show you how I prepare mine, and I hope you guys share how you prepare yours. I can't wait to hear from you.
Hide your feelings, keep your secrets, that's just what they told you. Trust nobody, pack up and leave whenever you want to.
I also have some fruits here. This ones I couldn't buy the whole of it. I couldn't buy a whole watermelon, you know, or a whole pineapple. So I just bought this melon, a slice that was already cut, and then I also got this pineapple that was already cut. So these are the fruits we are going to be using. I have my knife with me here. We're going to slice these fruits into small pieces, you guys. I love making sure that my pieces are equal. That is, they have the equal sizes. Let's see if I'll achieve that, because I don't usually want to know that nikikula, that is ati nione hii ilikuwa lemon, ilikuwa nini. At the end of it all, these fruits are going to be looking exactly the same.
Hide your feelings, keep your secrets, that's just what they told you. Trust nobody, pack up and leave whenever you want to. It's in the way you say my name. I know you're wondering if I feel the same. So let's stop pretending we don't want commitment, and then we talk on a phone call for 70 minutes. Cause we both know we don't wanna get nobody else involved. You just got to be honest if you want it. You know you love me. Cause we both know that we don't wanna get nobody else involved. You just got to be honest if you want it. You know you love me. Say we're just friends, that don't make sense. You know what we get up to. I ain't never kissed no friend like this. How can we go on denying shit? You say you don't want relationships, then tell me what the hell are we doing? Cause it's so confusing, you're teasing me. It's in the way you say my name. I know you're wondering if I feel the same. So let's stop pretending we don't want commitment, but then we talk on the phone call for 70 minutes.
Yo, let's talk about how this fruit has so many seeds. Actually, this pawpaw has many seeds. I wonder if it's going to be sweet. Though it's ripe, it's not overripe. It's just the way I love my pawpaws. But the fruits, the seeds are so many. Let's see.
Cause we both know that we don't wanna get nobody else involved. You just got to be honest if you want it. You know you love me. Cause we both know that we don't wanna get nobody else involved. You just got to be honest if you want it. You know you love me. We both know.
So I just decided to add this avocado at the end because the fruits became so many and I felt your overhyper skika. One avocado in all this pudding. As a Kenyan, you have to add another. Look at this. I want you guys to see the mountain. Yani, the plate is full. And the way this plate is big, I don't know if you can see that kahil being formed there. I'm trying to focus the camera so that you guys can see. Hey, these fruits are many, I tell you. So we are going to be needing this sufuria, okay? I know I have overused these sufurias and they look old already. So let me show you how you can preserve fruits. So we are gonna place the fruits here and then I'll show you what to do. We have to be very, very careful because if we don't get careful, these fruits are going to be in. So nitaeka from down because I want the fruits to mix. When you do this, the fruits are mixing and so you are achieving perfecto results. Aki nasikia tu kuzikula. You can't imagine all these are for one person. They look a lot. I was telling you guys this plate is big. Now I hope you believe me because we have a whole sufuria of fruits here. So I'm coming in with this. This is a basin. I'm gonna put water here, maybe up to half, because that's how we will preserve. But let me put the fruits I will eat here. So I usually nazigawanga hivi because ukizifinya na kijiko zitaharibika. So nazigawa hivyo. These are the ones I'm gonna be eating right now. Then we are good, guys. So this one, we place it here. Oh, the water is too much. Boom! We've preserved the food. You don't need to worry if you don't have a fridge. So these are the ones I've remained with in the plate. I use a fork. Nafinya hivi. Randomly. They're so good. I totally recommend this. Just in case you're wondering, I usually eat that the entire day. Maybe we should calculate the cost of that. So I had one popo. The popo costed 50 shillings. Then I had 2 avocados. Let's say each avocado is 20 bob. So that's 40. Then I bought 2 bananas that went for 10 bob. That's 50. So that's 100. And then I had, what's the next thing? Pineapple at 10 bob. And watermelon 10 bob. What's that? That's it. So this pudding costed me 120 shillings. I don't know if there's something else. Oh, yeah, I've forgotten the orange. The orange went for 15 bob. Kwa hivyo total, it's 135. And that's what I'm going to have the entire day. I won't even be cooking lunch. You guys know I'm trying to eat healthy. So that's my lunch for today, guys. What do you think? Comment down and tell me. Hope you've liked this video so far. I hope it was informative. Basically, it's a cheap lunch because if you went out to eat, you'd spend much more money than that. A plate full of fruits. It's not even a plate. More than one plate because this sufuria ni liters kama 2 ama 3. So you can imagine 2 liters of fruits. Totally worth it. I would highly recommend. If you try this recipe, please comment down below and tell me. That's it, guys. Tell me the other videos you'd love to watch so that I can film. As usual, I don't know how to talk when I'm eating, but I hope you guys try this recipe. The only fail is if the fruits are bitter, but I was lucky all my fruits are tasting good. Yep, guys, I hope you've liked, and thank you so much for watching up to the end. Yep, if you've not subscribed, please do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.